Try pulling it up without pulling the PPF up.
Oh, hi.
The dents we have on this Tundra, we have one here and one up the front there. They're not too bad. I would glue pull this normally, but it has PPF all on the front end right here. You can't glue pull on PPF, shouldn't be too bad. Goodbye. Dropping the headliner, so we'll see. So I got the high roller from Anson. I think I can get a tool on it. I'm gonna try and see if I can get a soft tip in there. So it is behind brace. I gotta get back to a well tail and get in there and see what happens. What we're trying on the PPF, it's worked before, is this cold glue. Cold glue. Minimize the dent before I start pushing with a well tail. Try pulling it up without pulling the PPF up. It's moving a little bit. Ha-ha! And this one's for Anson. Woo! I'm gonna have to blend where it hit and it should release some of the metal. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Chris X. There you go. Yeah, but I'm not doing what they're doing. So you want to add heat to it. The heat allows it to self-heal a lot quicker. And we're done with this roof. Put it back together and... Yeah.